Hey everybody, I'm Miss Watts. I am looking forward to getting to know each and every single one of you, whether you're in aquatic science, AP, environmental science, or APES, is what we like to call it, or in Unified Champions. I can't wait. Even though it's going to look a little different and feel a little different doing everything through Canvas, it's going to be okay. And I think the big thing that we need to remember is we've got to be patient with ourselves first and foremost, and then as well as with others. So for example, I've been trying to create some new interactive lessons, some new stuff and pulling from some old stuff. But I just have to remember that, like, if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work, and we can learn from that, and then we can move on. And so if you can kind of take some of that same mentality and be a little patient with me and be patient with yourself, and like if you know need help with something, then I'm here to help you. So that's why a lot of us are here. So best way to contact me is going to be via email. If you want to use my classroom phone, you can. But again, that email is going to be the best way for you to get in contact with me. Let's see, a little bit about me. My hobbies, I love to be outside. So if we're back in school, I'm going to do my best to get us outside. If we're not at school and we're still distance learning for a little while, then we're going to do a couple of things outside, and it should be pretty fun. I'm pretty excited. And so I think the biggest thing to remember now is let's be patient with ourselves, with each other, and let's communicate, and let's figure out how we can move forward and keep going and keep learning, because I think that's important, and we've got some pretty cool stuff to learn. All right, I look forward to seeing you, especially getting to know you, and I'll see you soon.